शिक्षित व्यक्ति स्वास्थ्य के प्रति जागरूक होता है और यही उसकी सफलता का भी मुख्य कारण होता है. A warm welcome to all of you. This is Hemu Kirar from KVUNGC Nazira and I am welcoming you all in our Fit India Week celebration of our school level. So I am here to welcome you and I am going to tell you something about the exercise and how to fit ourselves. Yes, if we are talking about the exercise, so some people think that exercise is a celebration of what your body can do, not a punishment for what you ate. See, if we are eating so many foods and we are not doing exercise or any kind of physical activities at home, it means that our body is full of cholesterol, and for our physical activity and for our physical fitness, so to make our body very fit, we have to do exercises all the days. Okay, so here I am in my next slide. I am going to tell you what is exercise and what is the definition of an exercise. Exercise. What is exercise? Okay, according to the definitions, I am explaining one by one. There are several definitions of exercise. So, the first one is physical or mental activity that keeps you healthy and strong. It means this is a kind of activity which is making our physical and mentally fitness. And the second one is a movement or activity that you do in order to stay healthy or to become skilled at something. Yes, this one is also right. And the another one is to do some form of physical activities in order to stay fit and healthy. So these are some definitions about the exercise, but I must say that the exercise has no value if you are not doing it in your regular schedule. Okay, now I want to tell you that importance of exercise or physical activities in our life. So what is the importance of physical activity or exercise in our life? Okay, one by one I am going to tell you the importance of exercise. Okay, it controls weight. Yes, or it controls weight or it make us fit. If we are too much slim or if we are too much weak, so it makes us healthy also, and it helps to lose the weight. Here the second one is exercise combat health condition and disease. Yes, this one is also right. Exercise, a regular exercise helps prevent or manage many health problems and concerns. It is also right. The next one is exercise improves mood. You may also feel better about your appearance and yourself when you exercise regularly, which can boost your confidence and improve your self-esteem. And the next one is exercise promotes better sleep. Yes, this one is also right. Regular physical activity can help you fall asleep faster, get better sleep, and deepen your sleep. Just don't exercise too close to bedtime, or you may be too energized to go to sleep. The next one is exercise can be fun and social. It is all we can see in our regular life that when we are doing exercise in a group, then we can feel we can improve our social ability, how to cooperate others and how to manage things with the others. So it helps us to make our environment very social. The next one is it is good for your muscles and bones. You all know about exercise that it helps you to making your muscles and bones very fit and good. And the next one is it can increase your energy level. Yes, when you are doing any kind of physical activity, your the circulation of your blood is getting high level. So that's why we are doing exercises and we can charge our body with the help of the exercises, right? So I suggest you to do everyday exercise. Okay, some more suggestions I want to share with you, and these are in my next slide. So okay, let's move on to my next slide. Okay, here are some suggestions from my side. First point of my suggestion is do activity at least for an hour every day. And it is suggested by me that we have to do activities for making our body fit and fine. The second one is select your activity according to your age group. Yes, it is very important when we are doing any kind of activity, we have to choose the correct activity to ourselves. Why? Because it may harm or it may unfit ourselves. So we have to, we have to choose an activity according to our age group. The next one is change exercise to make your mood fresh. Yes, we can change our exercises to make your mood very fresh. If we are getting bored with the same exercise, so we can easily choose the next exercise, or we can choose the different exercise for making our mood very fresh. The next is do yoga every day for 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, when we are doing assembly in our school, we can see that starting of our assembly from the yoga. We can start our assembly from the yoga. Why? Because it makes our whole day very easy. So we should do the activity, or we should do yoga in early in the morning. It makes us fit and fine. And the last one is play at least one game every day. Yes, this is the personal suggestion to all of you from my side, that please play at least one game for an hour, for half an hour, to make yourself fit and fine. And you can choose any kind of game which you like to play. So this is my suggestions to all of you. Please do exercise, please do yoga, and please do any kind of activities, physical activities at your home. This is the COVID-19 pandemic time, so you have to make yourself fit and fine. Okay, so now I am going to tell you a Sanskrit shloka which is based on our importance of our vyayam. So I am going to tell you a Sanskrit shloka with the meaning of the shloka. व्यायामात् लभते स्वास्थ्य दीर्घायुष्यम बलम सुखम आरोग्यम परम भाग्यम स्वास्थ्यम सर्वार्थ साधनम। अर्थात व्यायाम से स्वास्थ्य, लंबी आयु, बल और सुख की प्राप्ति होती है। निरोगी होना परम भाग्य है और स्वास्थ्य से अन्य सभी कार्य सिद्ध होते हैं। तो ये एक कटु सत्य है जिसे हम अपने जीवन में परिवर्तन लाने के लिए प्रयोग कर सकते हैं कि स्वास्थ्य बनाने के लिए हमें व्यायाम करना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। With this, I want to end my session. So thank you so much for listening me patiently, and please do follow the suggestions, do activity at your home. Once again, thank you so much for your hearing.